So I'm Amy Carter. I founded Empowering You Consulting over about 15 years ago. Yeah, I really had no idea what I was doing. I just literally had a dream, and I just knew that I love the business side of this industry. And being a current salon and spa owner, that's what I knew. That's really all that I knew. And so when I met back up with Susie, she really kind of gave me the path of like, okay, from my compensation to everything I was doing was completely backwards because it's all that I really had an idea about what. And so when I met her, it became like, I think I can do this thing. And I'd say that maybe before that, I was thinking, holy shit, what have I got myself into? But with her guidance, it really eased up a lot of the anxiety around it. I think when you have a mentor, for me at least, when I have a mentor, it's like it kind of eases, have more confidence, less anxiety. I sleep better at night, definitely making more money. So for me, I just always think mentorship is critical, especially because we can have some nights where we're not sleeping well. And having somebody there really supporting you, knowing you're not doing it alone is huge. I feel like she was just my missing link. I don't know how else to explain it, but I saw her on stage and I was like, you know what, lady, I think I need you. I don't know how I'm going to afford you, but I definitely need you. And so, I signed on the papers. I'll never forget, my knees were knocking. I really wanted to throw up in a trash can, but somehow you just figure out and make it work, because at the end of the day, to me, not making so many mistakes in a business is more important than anything. Working with Susie it allowed me to start taking vacations again. Before, I just didn't take vacations. I learned to vacation again because you need that. So it just gave me that freedom that I was really looking for, because for such a long time I felt really locked into the company. So for me, more joy, more happiness, more peace, more money, more time off and things like that. And actually taking the time off versus feeling I had to work on my vacation. You have to trust the person that you're working with, and knowing that no matter what, they've got your back, and that they have the right intentions, and the guidance is moving me where I want to go. And that's really what it is with Susie and I know that we are on the same page about where Empowering You needs to go, and the guidance and direction and everything else is right aligned with what I'm up to. So I think that makes the world a difference. Over the years, have learned so much, the good, bad, and the ugly. And I think sometimes there's so many people that start up consulting companies and really just barely do it, don't do it. They have this dream but so many times over, our dreams can turn into nightmares. We don't actually know what we get ourselves into. And so I think for me, 10 years ago, Amy was scared signing on the line with Susie, and just knowing and trusting that process, and knowing that it does work itself out, that you can create a 7-figure business with the right mentorship and right guidance. Just do it. It is definitely worth it. She pays for herself inside of herself easily, and really trusting the process. Sometimes she can be really big visionary, which is actually what I need. And so trusting those visions, trusting the process, and knowing that she does have the it. And I do believe that it's a thing that can really scale companies to 7 figures and beyond.